everyone, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Eli, aka Curry Gaming, and today I found a truck from Mix 13 at one of my local stores called Meyer. And if you're wondering what that is, it's basically like a Walmart, but it's a store that's located only in the Midwest states, such as Michigan, Illinois, and Ohio, and Indiana. So yeah, I only found one truck from Mix 13, and quite frankly, the one I'm about to show you is kind of the only one they had, which is kind of disappointing, but I mean, it's better than nothing. So here it is. It is the Wreckless Trucks El Toro Loco. So yeah, that is right, guys. This is my first Mix 13 truck. And without further ado, let's unbox it. Alright, so here is the wristband it comes with. It's a yellow one. And then I'm going to unfold the poster real quick and show that to you. So here is the poster. The poster for this mix is none other than Backwards Bob. So that is right, guys. Backwards Bob was a truck owned by Feld Entertainment. So yeah, so that is the mascot truck for the poster, and here are the trucks from Mix 13. You got the red primer Gravedigger, which has some little minor updates and accuracy details. I will point that out once I find it. Backwards Bob, of course. The Wreckless Trucks El Toro Loco, which of course I'm reviewing. You got the brand new Superman, Thrasher with a new paint scheme, a new tool, Tropical Thunder, Racing Stripes, which is a brand new model for this year, the Boneyard Truck Zombie, and probably the holy grail of this mix, the Ride Trucks Megalodon. Alright, so those are the trucks you can get from this mix, and without further ado, let's take a look at the brand new Wreckless Trucks El Toro Loco. Hold on a second. Alright, so I will let you have a look at the truck on the turntable here. Hold on, let me get that adjusted for you. What an awesome truck. So, basically, that concludes the Wreckless trucks for me. I basically now have all three. The first one being Salvager, the second one being Gravedigger, and now El Toro Loco. Alright, so there is the look at it on the turntable. Now let's do an in-depth graphics review. Alright, so here we have the, get it to focus here. So we got the front of the truck. It's got the black El Toro Loco's chin with the red hair. It's got the orange El Toro Loco's hood with some rust on it. The roof panel is belongs to black El Toro Loco. I think the horns belong to the yellow El Toro Loco. Correct me if I'm wrong. The door panel on the right belongs to yellow El Toro Loco, which is pretty cool. You got orange El Toro Loco's fender panel right there. And then you got the yellow El Toro Loco's tailgate. On this side, you got the black El Toro Loco's fender panel. And then the orange El Toro Loco's door panel right here on the left. And then it's got a black roll cage, gray chassis, and then it's got an orange rim right here, a purple rim right here. Then on this side, it's got a gray rim and a yellow rim, and then of course the Mouse Jam logo. So yeah, that is the Wreckless Trucks El Toro Loco. I hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a great day. Take care, guys.